So in today's video, you're going to learn how to upload 5 minutes long video on TikTok. What's up guys, this is Ziggy Programming Guy. Doing this is very easy to do. The first step to take is of course open your TikTok app and log into your TikTok account, and after that click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now if you look right here just above your run record button, you're going to find these options that you can upload 15 seconds video, 60 seconds video, or 3 minutes video on TikTok. But the truth is you can actually upload above this. Now if you want to do that, you just have to record a 5 minutes long video, or you can just upload it from your phone. Now I'm going to take it to my phone and upload one. I have this 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes video on my phone, so I'm going to select that and click on next. Now you find out that I have this video right here and it's exactly 5 minutes long video. So what I have to do right now is to add sound effects, text, stickers, or whatever I want to add to this video, and then I'm going to click on the next button at the bottom right corner of my phone. And after that I can add the description just the way you do to your regular videos, and go ahead and post it. And once you post it, you're going to find out that it's going to start uploading on TikTok. Now you can actually even upload videos that are longer than 5 minutes on TikTok, but you can't upload videos that are above 60 minutes long on TikTok. Now if you watch right here above your screen, you're going to notice that this video is actually uploading on TikTok. So guys, this is how you can upload 5 minutes long video on TikTok. Hope this guide was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equal subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.